just dropping in to do this little review on this tripod by Letscom, Letscom. This is a tripod that I got off of Amazon Prime, so it's 2-day shipping. So if you are in need of a fire tripod, shop this one. It is Bluetooth, it gets super tall, and I love it. Please excuse the lighting in this video. I had to literally tape my phone to my ring light to get this recording because my other tripod broke, and this is just me opening it up. that I do love about this tripod, it does get as tall as me, which is taller than my last one, so it's a complete upgrade because it gets super tall so I can get all the angles that I need. So this is the remote for the Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth part is so dope. It's for handleless, so I don't have to, get up to hurry up and press record and press unrecord. I can just do that from where I'm sitting. And this is a clip of me using the whole tripod.